Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see about microorganisms. So microorganisms, in short, we can call them microbes. So microorganisms are, as its name indicates already, micro means smaller organisms, or very small living things. When I say very small, it means you cannot see by your eye, by your naked eye. You can see them by using a microscope. So microorganisms can be bacteria, can be virus, can be fungi, and others. So here, bacteria are very small. That means they are microorganisms, and viruses are also very small, and also they are microorganisms. But here in fungi, not all. Some of them they are microorganisms, some others they are large to be seen by your eye. So, example, a mushroom is a fungus, but it is not microscopic. That means when I say not microscopic, it means you can see it by your naked eye. But the rest, the other species of the fungus, they are microscopic or can be seen by a microscope. So when I come up to the bacteria, most of them are harmless. Frankly speaking, when we come up to bacteria, one thing comes to our mind, that we will fear of something. But most of them, I'm not saying all, most of bacteria, they are harmless. When I say harmless, it means it doesn't harm, that it doesn't cause anything. Some of them, they live friendly with us. Some others, they are living together with us as a mutual benefit. That means they can get benefit from us and we can get benefit from the bacteria. Because if those harmless bacteria living with us, some other disease causing or those can cause disease, they will not get enough space to attack our body or to make us ill. So by occupying the space in our body, they can make the others to not arrive us and not cause disease. So most of them they are harmless, but some of them they are harmful. That means when I say harmful, some of them they are harmful. They might cause disease. They might make us ill or sick. So when we come at viruses are also harmful. Okay, harmful. They are also microorganisms. So when I compare virus and bacteria, viruses are much more smaller than bacteria. So viruses will need much more complicated kind of microscope to see them clearly how they look like. But both of them, bacteria and virus, they are microorganisms. The same thing about fungus. Some fungus also, there are microscopic fungus, and some of them they are non-microscopic, means you can see them clearly. Good. So mushroom, I come up. This is a kind of fungi. This can be edible. There is edible mushroom. When I say edible, means this kind of mushroom can be eaten. Or it can serve as a source of food. We can use this one as a source of food. And some of them they are poisonous. When I say poisonous, that means they can cause disease. They can cause disease or make us ill or sick. Make us ill or sick. So they are poisonous. So mushroom, it could be edible mushroom. That means you can eat, you can use that one as a source of food. And the others must be poisonous, mean it makes us ill or it can cause a disease. So this is very important. We need to know about microorganisms. The other thing, microorganisms, they have different kind of way to reproduce themselves. They have the way to live. But one thing, when you come up to about bacteria, there are some bacteria which are friendly living with us. They are living as friendly. They are living with us friendly. But there is a time those friendly bacteria change it into a harmful. Means when our body immune system. What does immune system? Immune system means the ability of our body to fight against disease. So our body has strength, our body has ability to fight any kind of disease, any kind of problems that cause in our body. So when this immunity system decline, when this immune system decline, those free living bacteria, those living with us friendly, they start to make us ill. For example, those living around our hair, they can cause to have different health problems. Those living around our lip make us to our lip to dry and be something goes into a wound-like formation. So because of our immune system. How our immunity system decline? Our immunity system decline when we are infected with chronic disease. Chronic disease can be like HIV, AIDS. It can be another diabetic or DM, diabetes mellitus, and others. So those chronic disease, or even smoking cigarette, when I say smoking, it could be cigarette and other kind. So when we are smoking cigarette, when we are addicted to any kind of just harmful substance, our body starts to decline or to decrease its amount of resistance. So chronic disease make us our immune system to decline. If our immune system decline, our body starts to be weakened. So those friendly living microorganisms, they start to attack or they start to cause disease. I hope in this lesson you got a lot of points. So in the next time we will see how bacteria reproduce and what are the different kinds of bacteria in science, and what is the nature of virus and how virus reproduce or replicate. We will see this one, and I hope you get enough source of information from today's lesson. Until the next time, thank you so much. Thank you. So watch my YouTube channel, my lessons, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to share those very important points, to your friends, to someone who is needing it. So thank you so much.